Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good. So today I wanted to show you the landscaping that was done in the backyard. It's 99% done. There's a few things I might add to it, but I really like how it came out. For the back, it was really an emphasis on privacy, and I wanted to keep the lines kind of straight, clean lines and get away from the curvature and all that kind of stuff. For this house, I just didn't want that. It came out really cool. So I'm going to show you the plans, some of the things I decided to do and not do, and then I'll walk you through the yard and show you as they're actually putting it together, and then finally how it came out. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second. I'm sorry about this, but I just realized how jacked up my teeth look on the bottom. Yesterday I had an emergency visit to the dentist because I shattered the temporary bridge I had in there, so they had to put another quick fix in there till my normal teeth get in like 2 weeks. So sorry about that. I was embarrassed and just wanted to share that with you. Let's press on. As far as the front yard, the ARC is meeting today to review the plans for the front yard. And if that gets approved, which I'm sure it will, then hopefully this week we'll start on the front yard, and that'll be in my next video. I'll give you a sneak peek on what I plan on doing out there. I really like it, so hope you like it too. Let's check it out. Okay, here you can see my backyard obviously before everything started. This is a privacy wall that is an option for some homes here in the villages, and it does make a big difference. Now, my house is a spec house, so it came with that, fortunately. And it really does make a difference from inside the house, especially because I look out the back and I don't see the folks behind me. So that works out really well. And here you could see how close my lanai is to my neighbor. I hope this video kind of inspires those of you that have a backyard in the villages that isn't very private, like mine, and the potential of what you can do with a little bit of work. And here you could see the layout that Scotty from the Village Palms and myself put together. I really wanted straight, clean lines, uniformity. I wanted to use the porta-copis that Scotty recommended because they're very hardy. They fill in nice. They grow at a decent rate, about 6 to 8 inches a year. That patio you see there, it was something I was toying around with, but I ended up not doing it just in case. I end up putting a bird cage or a plunge pool or something like that back there, because then I would have to rip that out. So I decided not to, and I'm kind of glad because the finished product looks really nice and clean without it. It's really not necessary. So when you look at these porta-copis trees, they're a little bit more mature in this rendering and trimmed. I'm not going to trim mine like this. I want them to fill out a little thicker and look a little bit more natural. I like the contrast of the straight edge, the real clean straight edge lines of the rocks and the edging. I thought it would be a nice contrast with more of a natural untrimmed tree. And then as they fill in, I'll start trimming them back and clean them up a little bit. And let's see how it worked out. All right, here they are laying out the porta-copis trees. I was really happy with how mature these porta-copis are. They're probably 5 to 6 years old. I was really not expecting them to be that tall, so I was very pleased with that. So right off the bat, I have some privacy, and I'm really happy about that. And I was really impressed with Scotty, too. He's not just a salesman. He showed up on site and made sure everything was going as planned and oversaw everything, so I was really pleased about that. You can see the layout's looking good. This is a lot of work. Here they're prepping the area where they're going to be digging the holes and putting the edging and rocks in and lights. Of course, they haul out all the old grass, the waste materials. And here they are digging the holes by hand. And these are huge. And here they are in the ground. You can see they have pretty good height. It's looking good. Here's the weed blocker, very thick, and running the wires for lighting. So all we're going to do for lighting right now is up against the wall, and when I start working on the front, I'm going to add some path lights to these trees in the back. And they also installed a low voltage box on the back of the house for the wiring. Here it is with the stones in place and the edging. Very clean lines. I love that look. And here we are walking out of the house. So here it is during the day, and I'm going to show you the nighttime here in a minute. But really happy. What a difference. My neighbors all came out and told me they liked it as well, so that really made me happy. That's important, right? And then here's the nighttime view. I shot a video of it initially, but the camera, it was very grainy because of nighttime, so these are still images, but how nice does that look? He's putting the stepping stones in. It's looking good. And then here it is complete. So we're walking in on the right side of my house. Nice little welcoming, and there you have it. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like from outside the yard, looking in, and you can see it's pretty amazing. I'm really thrilled with the size of those plants. I really thought they were going to be shorter, but they came out great. So now again, these are going to mature in and fill out a little bit, and then I'll trim them back, but I kind of like the natural look of them kind of growing wild like that. It's a really hardy plant. Does really great in this area. It's going to look really cool when I get the path lights in here as well. Now keep in mind, on the right side of my lanai there, looking at it, on the right I'm going to have a screen installed, which is on order. That's going to be in here in a week or two, and that'll give me really good privacy. So shout out to Village Palms, Scotty and his crew. Here's a mock-up of the front that I'm going with. I think Scotty did a cool job. So hopefully we'll get started on that this week. So the total for the back was about $14,000 plus or minus. The front is going to be approximately $6,000. Of course, it depends on, tweaks I make here and there. But overall, I'm very happy with the total outcome to be under $20K for all this. And by the way, the podocarpus is a very expensive plant, so keep that in mind. But anyway, it looks good. I'm very happy, and I'm looking forward to getting the front done. It's quite a dramatic difference to my home, and I hope you all like it. There you have it. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to getting the front yard video out for you next. See you guys. Bye.